Good morning, everyone. I want to start by expressing just how deeply meaningful these open houses are to our entire team. They represent nothing short of what the future holds for all of us at Cushing. As we get to know you, we get a glimpse of all the great things we can do together as one community. I've appreciated all the conversations that I've had with many of you through the admissions process. Your thoughtfulness, ambition, and passion were on full display. Based on what I've witnessed so far, it seems that our applicants are qualified candidates and families for our academy. It's easy to see all of you here learning, living, and playing as full members of our community. But ultimately, it is you who must make that decision. So I ask, can you see yourself here? It's not a rhetorical question. I want you all to take this opportunity to consider the answer and critically analyze your potential future here. If you do decide to come here, it must be for the right reasons. Anything short of that robs us both of our full potentials. So I ask you again, can you see yourself here? To aid you in answering that crucial question, I want to introduce you to Cushing's Portrait of a Graduate. Our core philosophy holds that every one of us is on 4 distinct but connected journeys: a personal, a community, an intellectual, and an ethical journey. Each journey serves as a lens through which we can examine ourselves, our relationships, our work, and our purpose. Furthermore, this framework requires that we live by a series of commitments that maximize our potential for personal, interpersonal, intellectual, and moral growth. By examining your potential future here through each of these commitments, I believe you can find a genuine, meaningful answer to decide if Cushing is indeed the right place for you. So let's break down each commitment and what it means in practice for you and your potential future here at Cushing Academy. The first commitment is as follows. In my personal journey, I strive to be self-aware, self-disciplined, and self-controlled, to take initiative, adapt, and persevere, to live with optimism, passion, a sense of humor, and humility, to make informed choices for a healthy, balanced life, to advocate for myself, and to pursue excellence in all areas of my life. Ask yourself, are you ready to dedicate yourself to achieving your commitments, to wake up with a smile and enthusiasm even when your schedule is filled to the brim and you feel overwhelmed? To eat well, study, participate in arts and athletics, and get enough sleep on top of all your other obligations. Striving for excellence, meeting challenges with grit, and caring for your mind and body are core components of a successful personal journey. That brings us to the second commitment. In my community journey, I endeavor to respect, support, and show gratitude, to value, engage fully in, and contribute to the diversity of my communities, to collaborate with others, to understand social systems, and to serve others as an active citizen. Ask yourself, are you ready to commit to fully accepting people with different religious and political beliefs, to collaborate with everyone here, even those you disagree with, to perform one kind gesture daily that makes the school a better place? Embracing diversity, working as a member of a team, and devoting yourself to others are core components of a successful community journey. Moving on to our third commitment. In my intellectual journey, I aspire to think critically, creatively, and reflectively, to listen and communicate actively, thoughtfully, and effectively, to take risks and grow through challenges, and to approach lifelong learning with openness and curiosity. Ask yourself, are you ready to commit to pursuing your education outside of the classroom, reading non-assigned materials, engaging in intellectual discussions with your fellow students and teachers, pursuing extracurricular endeavors with no guarantee of success, seeking self-education, learning from your peers, and taking risks are core components of a successful intellectual journey. And finally, our fourth commitment. In my ethical journey, I pledge to act with empathy and compassion, to act with integrity, to act with personal and social responsibility, and to act with courage on behalf of myself and others. Ask yourself, are you ready to commit to doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. With your help, 2023 will be a year where every new Cushing student is fully ready to set off on their 4 journeys. In this future, the Academy will be most empowered to accomplish its core mission, to exist for students and develop curious, creative, and confident learners and leaders. In this environment, friendships will be built and cherished. New interests and passions in the classroom, arts, and athletics will grow and flourish, and we will all become the best versions of ourselves. So as you go throughout your day today, meet our students and faculty, get to know our community, and ask hard questions. Participate in the panel discussions, look around, and imagine yourself as a student at assembly and be present in the day's experience. I hope your day at Cushing will convince you that this is a school where you can grow and be challenged and supported on your journeys. I look forward to speaking with all of you again and throughout the admissions process. Thank you.